So you have to catch that bat, but we have to handle it properly because it might bite us. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. I was really surprised at dawn of today because it's my regular routine to do some roving and inspection about these predator birds, and I will ensure that all these predator birds actually will not be able to eat all our fish, because it's been 2 weeks already that these birds are really eating a lot of our breeder fish. And I was so shocked to see a fruit bat. I really was disturbed by the noise of these birds and even the barkings of the dogs just at 3 o'clock dawn. And I was surprised to see this very big fruit bat here. It seems that this bat doesn't know where he is. Actually, he's a male. I already have spotted the gender of this bat, and he's a male. I used to have bats before, but I allowed them to, go home and join with their group. But there's another bat that is actually visiting us. And our mission today is to catch this bat. Of course, I know that these are wild animals and we cannot just make this as pets because they are protected by our Philippine laws. Owning a wild pet should have a permit from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. But I would like to get this bat in order to examine why he is not going home. He is just hanging over at dawn of today, maybe 3 o'clock in the morning, and until now he is still right there, and it seems that he is enjoying. So we will now catch this bat. This is a very dangerous task because I know that this is also a rabies carrier. I think I have handled many times with bats, and I know how to do it, and even my staff were already trained how to do these things. So come on, let's catch this bat, and I hope we will not get hurt. So you have to catch that bat, but we have to handle it properly because it might bite us. This is a dangerous task, of course. The moment you can hold the wings, you have to spread it like that. Please be careful that it will not bite you, okay? So we will get the bat. It seems that this bat is friendly. Careful, be careful. Ow, this is a strong bat. Okay. Oh. I'm so sorry. Come on, come on. Ooh. 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 You cannot fly. See? Oh. See. No, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry. No. Please. Let me hold this one. Let me hold this one. I'm challenged. I'm afraid of bats, but I hope we can handle this. Oh, oh, be careful. Be careful. Okay. You don't know how to fly? Ooh, ah, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, please. This is a big bat. I can feel his heartbeat. And this is a male bat. What happened to you? Why did you hang over for the past 3 hours? You don't have a home? I really don't know, guys, why this place is a magnet of these wild animals. Actually, last week I also had the experience of this very furious snake that attempted to eat our quails. And I took care of that for 2 weeks. I fed him with quails. He was able to actually eat 2 of our quails in captivity, of course. And just last week, we released this wild snake in the forested area over there because the snake is really very, very furious. He will really bite. So I also would not like to compromise our staff. That's why we released the snake. And now we have another wild animals here. But you can make some suggestions what we gonna do with this bat. Of course, I'm inclined to free this bat or just make him as pet and get the proper permit. I don't know. Please do some suggestions. You know, over there we have this wild dove always visiting me early in the morning. And this wild dove is just living within the vicinity because I told my staff and even other people in the vicinity not to kill birds and even feed them early in the morning. So with this bat now, oh, come on, fly, you go home. Talk and you get this one. I'm not afraid of bats, but this one is big and a male bat. Wow, you see? I remember Simba, we had this kind of bat, but it's a smaller bat. But now we have this very big bat, a matured one, because I can see through his genitals that he is really a male. I really don't know what to do with this bat, but maybe we can put him back. Oh, he's biting. No, be careful. He's biting. He's biting. So we will put this bat over there again. We will not put him in a cage. But of course, we have to monitor this one because this tree, actually this Indian almond tree has, you know, ripe fruits now, and this is the magnet also of the fruit-eating birds during the night, the nocturnal ones. I understand that the bat could not see during the day because they are nocturnal. They are able to see during the night, and maybe this is the reason why he did not fly. So we will try to feed this one. I know that this is hungry. Are you hungry? Okay, some fruits here. Wow, very hungry. Oh, some fruits. Okay. Oh, I think she's... Oh, this is a tame bat. Hello, come on. Okay, put that over there and just allow him to go back home. And we failed. I must admit, we failed catching this bird. Actually, the trap had been disengaged, but the bird was able to escape, I presume, because the trap was already touched, and it seems like there are feathers. It is a sign that the bird had really struggled. Maybe no one of us were able to see it, but we presume that the bird was actually trapped and was able to escape later. So we have to improve our nylon maybe. There's some problem about the nylon because it will loosen up and will just allow the bird to escape. So we will feed our animals here, and Simba is already big. You will see Simba, very fat. Wow. And Simba would like to eat banana. Okay. Eat banana. I know you're very hungry. Wow. It's time now for B1 and B2. B1 is here. B1. Oh, okay. B1 is here. B1 is here, Simba. Oh, what are you telling me? Wait. Simba will eat. No. B1 will eat. Wait. Oh, okay. We will feed. What are you doing? And I'm expecting that these pets would really become tame when they grow old. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, you stay here. You might kill this bird. What about B2? B2 is very fat. And thanks for telling me about the facts of this. You know, you said that this Lutino or albino cockatiel have this big skull. I was, we'll also eat this one. Oh, okay. That's delicious. Oh. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. B1. Oh, B1. B2. What about you, Michael? Why are you very quiet? Michael, I pitied this. Michael. Oh, see. Okay. Breakfast. Oh. Eat. Just eat. Eat your breakfast. Why are you not eating, Michael? Where are you going, Joel? Joel, come here. Joel is afraid of Simba. Okay. And 2 weeks from now, I think they're gonna be able to fly. What about you, Mike? Mike is petite. You're thin, Michael. Okay, sorry, Michael. Oh. Eat, baby. Eat. Okay. So you consume this all. You're very fat. Okay. Stay here. Come on. Why are you so quiet? Why you're not making noise? Why are you not making noise? Oh. Okay, Joe, we have some food for you here. You consume this. Why are you afraid of Simba? Why are you afraid of Simba? Okay, I will give you all this extra food. Really? Hello. Oh. Okay. So if they cannot consume it, then Joel will consume everything. Wait. Simba. Mm. Mm. Say, hello. Okay. Say it. Hello. Oh, you got it all. I'd like you to meet the bat. What's the name of the bat? You can make some suggestions. Okay. I'd like to introduce the bat, our new friend. Okay. Another. You're not still full. Oh. Open mouth. Okay. Open mouth. Okay. Now, I'm going to introduce to you our new family, new member of the family. Come on. I'd like you to meet this new member of the family. You see that? Who is that? Wow. Are you friends? Joel likes to hurt the bat. You see? See that? Are you not afraid with bats? Wow, they're friends. Okay, go and make friends with him. Oh, Joel is really very naughty. You're a naughty crow. Okay, fly over. Okay, go home. You can go home now. Okay, fly. But you cannot fly high, very high yet. What an engaging morning that I experienced today. And you know, this place is actually designed really for the wild animals. I mean, the haven or the sanctuary of this wild animals, wild birds, that in the future maybe we can put up a facility for a rescue center for these wild animals. Those abused animals maybe will be taken care by the facility and the staff, and then they're gonna be released back to the wild. This is my dream, and it's not my intention to encourage people to get wild animals and make that as a pet, because they have this function or the role in the ecosystem, a balanced ecosystem, that if we are going to catch them, our ecosystem will become in balance. So I hope, guys, that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are not subscribed yet to this channel, may I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're uploading videos regularly only here at Dexter's World.